Hello all. Today we are going to discuss top 20 interview questions and answer based on P2P cycle in SAP MM. Okay. So first question is, what is P2P process in SAP? So basically P2P stand for procure to pay process in SAP, refers to the complete process of procuring goods or services from an external vendor, from sending a purchase requisition to processing the vendor invoice and making the payment. Simple. This is the answer. Okay. What are the main component of the P2P process in SAP? The main components of the P2P process in SAP are purchase requisition, purchase order, good receipt, invoice verification, and vendor payment. Okay. What is the role of SAP MM module in P2P process? SAP MM, that is Material Management module, plays a crucial role in P2P process by providing functionality for procurement and inventory management. How is P2P process integrated with other SAP modules? P2P process is integrated with other SAP modules such as SAP FICO and SAP SD and SAP PP to ensure a seamless flow of information and data across the organization. Okay. What is the purchase requisition in SAP P2P process? Purchase requisition in SAP P2P process is a request for goods or services initiated by an employee in the company that triggers the procurement process, right? What is the difference between purchase order and purchase requisition? A purchase requisition is a formal demand for goods or services, and a purchase order is a legally binding agreement that commits a vendor to provide them to a predetermined cost, right? So basically, a purchase requisition is an internal document, and purchase order is external document that will share with the vendor on the some terms and condition to supply the goods or services. What is goods receipt in SAP P2P process? Good receipt in SAP P2P process is the process of recording the delivery of goods from a vendor and updating the SAP system accordingly. What is invoice verification in SAP P2P process? Invoice verification in SAP P2P process is the process of comparing the invoice received from the vendor with the purchase order and good receipt to ensure that invoice amount is correct. What is the role of SAP FICO in P2P process? SAP FICO module plays a role in P2P process by providing functionality for financial accounting, controlling, and reporting. Okay. What is the importance of P2P process in SAP? The P2P process plays a crucial role in SAP by enhancing procurement efficiency, effectiveness, ensuring timely product delivery, reducing procurement expenses, and boosting overall financial performance. Two-way matching in P2P, two-way match in accounts payable. Two-way matching in P2P process is a process of comparing the purchase order and goods receipt against the vendor invoice to ensure that invoice amount is correct and matches the agreed terms. Okay, we will compare the vendor invoice with the purchase order and supply of goods. Okay, so this is two-way match in account payable. Two-way matching ensures that the received goods or services correspond to order items and agreed purchase price is accurate. This helps to prevent errors and overpayment and ensures that vendor invoice is accurate and can be processed for payment. Two-way patching is typically performed in the SAP system and involves in the following steps. Comparison of the purchase order with the vendor invoice to ensure that item orders and price agreed are correct. Comparison of good receipt with the vendor invoice to ensure that goods or service received match the item ordered. Generation of the payment proposal if two-way matching criteria are met. Approval of the payment proposal and processing of the payment to the vendor. To achieve an efficient, effective, and accurate procurement process and guarantee accurate vendor payment, two-way. So this is two-way matching process. Okay, three-way matching process in P2P, three-way matching for account payable. Three-way matching in P2P process refers to the process of comparing the purchase order, good receipt and vendor invoice to ensure that invoice amount is correct and matches the agreed terms. Fine. Three-way matching for accurate accounts payable. Okay, what are the three-way matching? So basically, we need to compare the vendor invoice with the purchase order and good receipt, supply of the quality. So we can ensure that correct payments to be done to the vendor and the correct quantity which we have ordered in the purchase order to the vendor is received at the customer place or not, right? So this is the whole process of the P2P process, and this is a very important process in SAP. We are frequently using in our day-to-day daily routine systems. Okay, so thank you for watching this SAP class, and this tutorial and class is for understanding and learning purpose. Happy learning. If you think this is very useful tutorial for you, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please share this video tutorial with your friends and colleagues working in your company. And I request again, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed our YouTube channel and want our latest updates, please press the bell icon. Okay, and happy learning again. See you in the next video tutorial.